Alright guys, welcome back. So this is the QA Job Bootcamp from beginner to hired, the evergreen tech job. So today we'll be looking at phase 2. So this is lesson 4, types of software testing: function, regression, smoke, sanity, and more. So what you'll learn in this lesson, what software testing types are: functional testing, non-functional testing, regression testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, UI testing, performance testing, and real-world QA examples. So what are testing types? Definition: testing types are different methods used to verify that software works correctly. Purpose: different testing types help QA engineers find bugs, improve software quality, verify requirements, and ensure a good user experience. So categories of testing: we have functional and non-functional testing. In functional testing, we verify that features work according to requirements. Examples: login functionality, sign-up process, search feature, add to cart, payment system, and the goal is to ensure the system behaves correctly. Example of functional testing would be a login page. So for example, the test scenario would be verify user can log in with valid credentials. So the steps would be: 1. Enter a valid email. Step 2. Enter a valid password. And step 3. Click login. The expected results would be user successfully logs into dashboard. Non-functional testing is tests systems according to its performance, usability, reliability, and security. So it focuses on speed, stability, security, user experience, and scalability. Regression testing is testing existing features after code changes or updates. So purpose is to ensure new changes did not break old functionality. For example, a developer updates the checkout page, the QA would retest the login, cart, payment, and order confirmation. Why regression testing matters. Importance of regression testing is it prevents old bugs from returning, protects stable features, improves software's reliability, and common in agile projects. So we learned about the agile method. Smoke testing: basic testing performed to verify the application is stable enough for further testing. So the goal is to check if critical features work. For example, app launches successfully, the login works, the main pages open correctly. An example of smoke testing would be like a checklist for smoke test would be: website loads, user can log in, navigation menu works, dashboard opens, and no major crashes. Sanity testing: quick testing performed after minor fixes or updates. So the purpose is to verify a specific feature works after a change. For example, the developer fixes password reset issue and the QA tests the password reset feature only. So smoke testing is broad testing, tests critical features performed on new builds and ensures build stability. Sanity testing is more narrow. So narrow testing tests specific changes performed after bug fixes and ensures fix works correctly. UI testing, which is user interface testing. So verifies visual elements and design of the application. For example, buttons aligned correctly, text is visible, images are loading, the design is responsive, and the colors and fonts are correct. Performance testing checks how the application performs under load. So it focuses on areas like speed, response time, stability, and scalability. So example is testing a website performance with 10,000 users online. Security testing ensures application data and systems are protected from threats. So for example, password protection, user authentication, data encryption, access control. Compatibility testing Verifies application works across different devices, browsers, and operating systems. For example, testing on the Chrome, Safari, Firefox, mobile devices, and tablets. So manual versus automation testing. In manual testing, it is performed by humans, it is flexible, and better for exploratory testing. Automation testing is performed by tools or scripts, faster for repetitive tasks, and better for regression testing. Real-world QA workflow. In real projects, a QA teams combine multiple testing types. Example workflow: smoke testing, functional testing, regression testing, UI testing, and performance testing. Key takeaways. Today we learned functional testing, non-functional testing, regression testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, UI, security, and performance testing. So a practice exercise. Identify testing types for these scenarios. Number 1, testing login functionality. Number 2, checking website speed. Number 3, verifying bug fix works. Number 4, testing app on mobile device. So coming up next, we have lesson 5, which is writing test cases like a QA engineer. So in this one, we will study test case structure, test scenarios, expected result, and real QA examples. See you guys next time. Thank you.